Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up voice access shortcut using our volume up button and our side button or power button in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. So, how to do it? We have to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu, and here we have advanced settings. We have a few buttons combinations here to choose from, but we are interested in side and volume up button. Right now we have assistant menu, but we don't want it, we want voice access. Yes, we have to allow this, and let's see if it's working. So side button and volume up button at the same time. Yes, you can see here our voice access is activated. Let's turn it off, and now it's off. Our shortcut is working. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.